brought with them. Yeah. So at least you said if they can't change the machine, Phil goes right up to a chop. Just go underneath and swap them around. But like John said really you need to do all of them.
You don't want to do it.
And there's a couple of them aren't working at all.
You don't want to do it whilst you pull them through.
Not really. No. It does happen though. Yeah, it's I suppose that end is for the lights stay on that end of that one. The best ones are the knuckle couplings. These knuckle couplings. Yeah. They won't come undone, but you've got to lift the wagon and drop the coupling down. You can't push them together. You can imagine. You lift it up and next thing you know the wagon's off the wheels off the train. I mean, I know companies do stand up Yeah. There's a road up there.
Just a road, is it?
Yeah. The line's still there, but not like it is. There's a lot. All this is gone.
Can you see all right?
Oh yeah, well, we decided to do
You
that
can see.
We done that 2 weeks ago. We went to the people who submit the applications get the full plan, so that's It's going to pick up in pick up in I was having a visit with one of the coaches to go up and have a look at It's got one of the construction sites there that they're going to take out for a school.
Well, no, you show me out where it is and I'll straighten them out.
You're not threatening people, are you, Phil?
He's talking you big, and he gets Tom's out, he's got his head.
Put Mike on the door. Watch for any problems.
Doing a double, yeah? I'm being there at 9 o'clock at night still. Yeah? Yeah. Well, I think so, yeah. I mean, if you're there, you do different modern jobs.
Sausage rolls.
Yep. You know, you've got the same sort of life. You know, up at 7 and work to 8 at night, it just doesn't happen.
Just before the lockdown, shutting in the crowd in November. And you turn around and let you get
Leveling up permanently.
It's usually a couple of hours to set it up. Too close to scale is that real railways have plenty of length.
That's right, isn't it?
What truck will you go on? A truck.
No, we're not doing that. Not attractive down that way.
Here he comes again.
Finley. I don't have.
Well, I think that was the intentional cut.
Very much.
I think it's possible more things have fallen off. The little marks where people should be. They still, the guy with his ferret disappeared. And the plastic.
Correct. We've got the tickets, well done.
3 hours. For each day, you over for each day? I am called in today.
Welcome. We thought we'd come down and see you. How you doing, Cocker?
Denver's not very healthy. We had trouble with the point motors in the 50 yard. So while we're here, I'll pick a phrase here. And they've got half a dozen or so trains, 111. Is there a society that meets these five?
Yeah, this side meets the chap there, the largest chap on the left is the chairman of the
Sitting down.
And I think you can go to a bigger one, which is only that's right. Basically for the wind-up team. So what I have done is on some of them, they have the contact to pick up all the tenders. So it's permanently attached with a wire going through, so you don't get
I got messages that they said you weren't going to be in until later. Yeah. No, Phil. So I spoke to Phil just now. He said, "Oh, Rick's up."
Oh yeah, no, Andy. Yeah, that's his demo part. Yeah, he's in there about his
Everyone has different, takes different challenges from that. We have people who are interested in carpentry, people who are interested in electronics, and they can't be bothered with any of the rest of it. That's what they like to do.
Site for the Flying Scotsman there. Really good.
It's the operator who's
Spend 120 quid on an ABC. And one of these logos is with the fold-up maps on. Bashima, can it run
The kids
as well?
love it.
yeah.
They just stand there watching.
The VR one,
plenty of animation.
the 1078.
What do you think then?
I do like those Falcon clips. There's somebody trying to sell one of those on YouTube or whatever you can get one of these. These kids and they're going down to 50 quid.
Yeah, that's it.
They're worth about 150 quid now.
And we've got the club's movie we're trying to sell. It's a bed.
Yep.
Where's your one?
Hate it when the... I don't know, it's one of the few locos I actually bought ready to run. Because Brian Armand brought it up on my layout. It was Pete Trigwell, if you knew him.
Yeah.
Key line.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not quite Alan Brackenborough, but it's certainly a good professional lining
Yes,
job. I got a feeling it might have been done by Conrad Cooper. Eljan gears do seem to be a bit problematic, certainly on their diesels. I think that's rather nice.
I think it's nice, yeah.
Oh.
It's all right.
No, you haven't. No. You haven't used one.
Point.
this. Like this.
That's what I think it's
Starting very well, aren't you? Yeah, it's right. And you know we're
Right, you
putting on
should
a
have the.
yeah, we put some flyers out there. Yeah, flyers will all be coming out soon. We've just basically
You should have the road now.
so we're going to do it on the 26th May, first ever Mongo show.
No, you won't know it. Will you go straight on? Well, that's what I'm trying to do. Go. We'll stop at the same point, isn't it? Oh, right.
Very popular.
Well, I'm sure, yeah. Well, that's local for us as well. So
Yeah. Well, I would certainly book it.
we may well get round to doing this one day. So when you've got the kit ready to sell, let me know, and then we can so I'm still working on that idea. I'm probably maybe a major cut in there.
Oh, yeah. Electrics are in. I thought, I reckon I could get it's the tiniest canal, but not prototypical, it's a bit narrow. I took jigsaw with my brother and you've got a coffee machine. Well, there was a constant queue of people there. But not no, but it wasn't excessive. Oh, you wouldn't be awful. No. I can feel it, yeah, but really we need a nip somewhere near the
We got back to our prices down to us too. Hanging it back on the wall. Not that climbing across, but now I've got to rebuild it, I will.
The bus, yeah, there's a bus.
Well, I mean, I've done it on these. This one's got a funny. I lost it. I know I broke the switch. So now I've got a little wooden cover that goes on it.
It's going to develop in speakers, isn't it?
Yeah.
The speakers and those when you get a little soon as you stand that close in this room, you can still hear it.
Yeah.
So that home as well. You can hear it. Alright.
That's not sound.
How funny! How are you?
They